Hello, friends. Imani teacher here today. So we're going to review and do with our second set of consonants. So b, sk, sh, g, s, right? Soft C. Sounds similar to S. So we have bird, bird, sk, skirt, skirt. Next we have shirt, shirt, g, girl, girl. Circus. So now we're going to go faster with our consonants and our sound. So let's look. Bird. Next we have sk. Everyone, SK says sk. Next. Skirt. SH. Shirt. Girl. Last one. Circus. So these are our consonants with our sound. Bye bye, everyone.